when we check here our activity. This activity, we are going to ask a classmate who used the area model strategy to multiply these two numbers, 206 and 45. We are going to identify what Badr did correctly and incorrectly, then solve the problem. Also, we're going to think about the possible reason for his error and try to solve the problem correctly. I will give you enough time to think and solve the question to analyze the answer that we have. We will discuss the answer when we get back, as always. From your analysis of the table, what do you see here? Let's check. Badr did many things correctly. For example, he divided the model over here according to the expanded form of the two numbers. This is what we're going to write here. So what did the student do correctly? What did he do? Let's write together. He used the expanded form correctly. Now let's check the next question. What do we have? When he wrote the number 206 in the model, what did he do? He wrote 200 and then 60 and then 0. But let's check the other number. What do we have? We have 45 written as 40 and 5. So what do we see? We see that he wrote the number 45 in the expanded form correctly. But the only incorrect thing in the model is what is this number over here? What do I see? This mistake that he made, which is to write 6 in the tens place instead of the ones, made the whole answer get an incorrect sum at the end. So again, what did he do? Instead of writing 6, he wrote this number 60. So the correct solution will be as follows. Let's correct it. So I need to do the following. This will be what, do you remember what we said last time? When we have a 0 in the middle, we write it so that we don't get confused. I'm going to rewrite it over here in a better representation. So the first column is correct. Let's rewrite it. Here I have 200, here I have 40, here I have 5. So I'm going to write and copy the numbers. Here I have 8,000, here I have 1,000. Now what do I do next? Here I will write the 0 because the number is 206, and here I will write the 6. At this point, I'm going to recalculate the what? The product of the pairs that I have. So 0 times anything, this is 0. 0 times anything is still 0. And you need to be extra careful when the 0 comes in the middle. Why? So that you don't repeat the same mistake. So 6 times 40, what is 6 times 4? 6 times 4 is 24, and we have an extra 0. What do I have next? 6 times 5, and the answer is 30. Now the final thing and the final outcome will be as follows. I'm going to add these 4 numbers. So the answer is going to be, instead of this, which is incorrect, the total will be 9,270. And this is the correct the answer.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.